America this evening. This Saturday evening, that means tomorrow's Sunday, folks.
You ain't that average groupie. I seen her dancing. To hell with you.
Trust for over 100 years. Call Ryan Electric today, 507-931-27.
AAA Sacramento, and it was called up here, has made 3-star.
7-1 recently.
We have a vacation coming up, so that will help with that.
We'll do it again Monday, 8 a.m. That's your next shot to win.
Has run dry. That's what's going on. Nothing's right, I'm told.
You got North Carolina, so that's a win week 1. You think they go to Nebraska and lose? You think Matt Rule has got it together there?
Yeah, I mean,
Even in the broken parts, he holds my heart. He never.
I was holding a gun to my head and
Catchers. A minute how poorly the Giants catchers in throwing out base runners, they just don't. And I've been watching Bailey not hitting.
wild perspective of our God.
Princes and kings.
A limousine to get him to a hospital at that point. The Secret Service never gentle. This is a very serious situation where they have to protect the person they are.
Professional duties with Christian generosity. In this way, their conduct makes itself gradually felt in.
Give me a sister, I can't resist her. Red beans and rice didn't miss her. Some knucklehead tried to diss. Cause this girl's a.
As we
Thank you.